wanted to make pasta using just the stuff I had in the pantry. Nothing fresh that won't keep. The result? Creamy mushroom penne. Let's get cooking. So, I prefer fork-sized pasta, like this penne that I happen to have. 2 cups will make 2 servings. Add about 2 cups of water, enough to keep the pasta covered, but just enough that when the pasta is fully cooked, the water will be all used up. Add 2 packages of bullion powder. These have quite a bit of a salty taste, so no extra salt will be needed. Bullion cubes will work, but of course they need to dissolve in hot water as the pasta cooks. Please like, comment, and subscribe. A tablespoon of oil makes it taste rich and creamy. Garlic makes everything better. I'm going to add a tablespoon of freeze-dried garlic flakes. Garlic powder will do in a pinch. Red chili flakes for a bit of heat. I actually added a whole teaspoonful. A quarter teaspoon would have been just enough. A tablespoon of dried parsley flakes. A half tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Stir and cover for the 10 minutes or so recommended on the pasta box. I don't remember why I have used whole mushrooms. Must have been on sale. Since I'm going to cut them up anyway, it would have been better to just buy sliced mushrooms in the first place. Same size can, more mushrooms, lower price, and one less step. So now we're running low on water as it's getting absorbed by the pasta. I'm going to add just enough to keep the pasta hydrated. I made a hole in the middle to pour the water in so the cold water gets hot before it hits the pasta and the pasta thinks it's done. The mushrooms are already cooked, so they don't need a lot. Let's add them when the pasta still has about 2 minutes to go. Let's check if the pasta is done. It's good. Now, half a cup of unsweetened evaporated milk. Remember, condensed milk is usually sweetened. And pour that on. Another minute to thicken with the starch in the pasta water. I had some flour in reserve, but didn't need it. A taste test? Amazing. The bullion made it just salty enough. Serve it out, or eat right out of the pan if no one's watching. I'm going to garnish with a little bit of dried parsley, but even that's optional. Enjoy! That was good. Fast and ready on a moment's notice. Ingredients: 2 cups pasta, 2 cups water, 1 tablespoon oil, 2 packages bouillon, 2 tablespoons dried garlic, 1 tablespoon parsley flakes, 1/4 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1/2 tablespoon Italian seasoning, 1/2 cup evaporated milk, 1 can of mushrooms.